Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Igama lami nguLondiwethusi. I hope niyaphila. So ngifake i-post ku-YouTube naku-WhatsApp naku-Instagram ukuthi ningibuze imibuzo eningathanda ukuyazi ngami. So ningisendelile-ke lawo ma-questions lawo. Ngizobe ngiphendula wona kule video lena. Ngiwabhale la phansi ama-questions wenu. Ngizobe ngiwafunda ngiwabheke lana phansi. And ngiyabonga kakhulu ngemibuzo yenu and ngiyabonga kakhulu ngemibuzo yenu. So asiqaleni ke. First question ithi, hey Siri, just interested in knowing what inspired you to do vlogs or open a YouTube channel. Okay guys, nginama-reasons ayi-3 why ngivule i-YouTube channel. Okokuqala ukuthi bengumuntu osafarisha kakhulu kwi-low self-esteem, so ngidecide ukuthi ngivulele i-YouTube channel ukuze ngizozi-challenger, ngibone ukuthi okay mangiqala manje mhlampe after 6 months ngizobe sengumuntu kanjani. Or enye into-ke ukuthi ngumuntu ongajwayelanga ukukhuluma or ongakhoni ukukhuluma nje mangi-around abantu. So decide ukuvula le channel leyo ukuze ngizopractice ukuthi ngikhulume, ngizijwayeze ukukhuluma mangi-1. Ngeke ukuthi ngihlala ngi-1, so mangibuya la ngiyathula kungabi yabo nomuntu mhlampe engikhuluma naye. So mangizolokhu ngikwi-camera ngikwi-camera ngilokhu ngikhuluma ngizogcina ngize ngijwayele ukukhuluma vele. And indlela ebengakhoni ngayo ukukhuluma beyi-bad guys. So I hope after 3 months ngizobe sengubona umehluko nje ngami. Okay, enye reason why ngidecide ukuvula i-YouTube channel ukuthi as umuntu osebenza kwi-retail ngibone i-gap la ka-YouTube. Ngiyayibheka kakhulu i-YouTube and abantu engibafollowayo kakhulu ama-makeup artist, abo-teacher, abo-nurse, yabo lawo ama-content creator kanjalo. Asinabo abantu aba-create i-content as ama-retail worker. So sometimes uyadinga nje ukubuka umuntu ongathi mhlawumbe uyarelate kuye, angazi noma niyangithola yini. So i-aim yami ngokuvula i-channel ukuthi ngibonise mhlawumbe amanye ama-retail workers ukuthi ku-possible, kuyakhonakala. Ngicreate i-content nabo abanga-relate kuyo. Ngifuna uku-documenta nje impilo yami. Ngifuna uku-documenta impilo yami, ngizibone la ngiqale khona, ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibuyele back ukuthi okay ngaqala la kanjalo kanjalo. And i-bonus-ke ukuthi ngiyayithanda i-YouTube. Ngiyayithanda i-YouTube kakhulu ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ngiyayibheka i-YouTube and that is why silana namhlanje. Verse 2 uthi, what camera are you using to take your content? Ngisebenzisa i-Samsung S24. Ngisebenzisa ifoni yami ne-ring light nje encane. Manje-ke sengithenge i-microphone because i-voice yami beyiphansi kakhulu. And ilokho engikusebenzisayo. What's your hobby? I-hobby yami i-YouTube manje. Yabo nje ngoba ngihleli la ngenza i-hobby yami. Okay. Where are you from? Ngibuya e-KZN, eMnambithi. Okay, umbuzo omunye uthi, how many subscribers do you intend to get in order to post next vlog? No, awekho ama-subscriber engiwabhekile. Ngizoposta nje noma ngabe angitholanga ama-subscriber ngizolokhu ngiphostile, ngiya-enjoy ukuthi ngilokhu ngiphostile, okay? And then what type of content can we expect to see in your channel? Okay, kuzobe kunama-story times. Ama-story times azobe past yami. Yeah, izinto ezenzeke kwi-past nezinye ezizobe zisayenzeka-ke ngizo-create ama-story times ngazo. And then ama-vlogs, ngizo-expect ama-vlogs, kakhulu ama-vlogs. What are your parents' occupation? Anginabo abazali. But if bakhona, I'm sure umamami ngabe u-doctor. Ubabami ngabe uyi-president. Ngiyadlala guys. Okay, question elandelayo. When was the last time you cried? Mina ngiyakhala shem. I think last month. Angisazi ukuthi bengikhalelani, but mangiphatheke kabi ngiyakhala. Iyindlela engisheshe ngibe ngcono ngakhona leyo than ukuthi ngikhulume ngiyakhala. Can you share a childhood memory that has stuck with you? Engakusho nje ukuthi i-childhood memory yami guys, if you could have dinner with anyone, living or dead, who would it be and why? Dead. Ugogo wami. Ngifila ugogo wami ngoba ngathi ngibe nesikhathi esincane naye. Ngibe nesikhathi esincane naye and ngisengafuna ukuspenda isikhathi naye kakhulu. What are some of your favorite YouTubers or creators who inspire you? Ubani kambe lo girl? Uthando Hadebe and ubani kambe omunye? But uye engisamkhumbula manje. Guys, nimlandele i-content yakhe. How long was your longest relationship? My longest relationship. 4 years. 4 years plus. Yeah. What do you do for a living? Okay, ngisebenza ku-retail. Hey, nginokuzwa bathi-ke abafuni abanye abantu abanokungasho amagama amakhampani nani. Ngithi nje ngisebenza e-retail. Yeah, I think ngizobona nje makuhamba isikhathi la ngisebenza khona. Man, do you have any siblings? Yes. Nginobhuti. Siyi-2, saba yi-2 nje. Nginobhuti. Tips on how to be a lady because wow, uklini man and yonke into yakho. How do you do it? Okokuqala nje engakusho i-hygiene. Guys, noma ungeke waba nezinto ezi-expensive kangakanani, uma ugezile nje nge-sunlight yakho, wa-ayina, waba neat, ukuba neat akudingi ukuthi uze ube nezinto ey'bizayo ukuze uzoba yi-lady mhlampe. And then okwesi-2, indlela oziphatha ngakhona, indlela ozihlonipha ngakhona uma usebantwini, indlela ohlonipha ngakhona abantu. I think ilokho kukwenza ube lilidi. Uthi ungahamba uhleba, nje ungahambi uba sey'ndabeni, uyabo? Okokugcina nje ukuba nguwe, ungafeyikhi ukuba omunye umuntu. Ube wuwe, ube clean, uziphathe kahle, uhloniphe abanye abantu nje. Yeah, I think ilokho. And then umbuzo omunye uthi, what was your dream job? What was your dream job as a kid? Okay. Bekuwukuba yinesi. Hayibo, khona le engingawubuzanga ukuthi did you go to university or college? Yes. Ngiyibekile iy'nyawo zami e-university, e-UJ, and ngiyi-drop out. And manje ngise-UNISA ngenza i-teaching. Yeah, ngenza i-teaching e-UNISA, so ngingasho ukuthi ngiyile college. Yeah, bekuyilawo-ke ama-questions. Guys, I hope ni-enjoyile kakhulu.